Good evening again. Just wanted to give you a quick update on our C8 Corvette. We are here at the service department at Elco Chevrolet. As you guys know, we got the Corvette about 2 weeks ago. Actually, it was 2 weeks ago today. And they put the rear high wing spoiler on, so I wanted to share it with you. I'll show you some pictures here in just a minute as she pulls around. There you go. That looks good. Very happy with that. What do you think of it, Cher?
It is absolutely amazing.
It does look good. That just transformed.
Total look at the car.
Yeah, it totally transformed it, didn't it? That looks good. I wasn't sure I was going to like the shape of the ends, but it fits with the sharp edges of the car. Yeah. Please let me know in the comments what you think. That is, I'm very pleased with it. Just really sports up the car a lot. So, one more shot of the back. Again, please hit that like button, comment down below, and let us know what you think. And subscribe. So we got some more stuff coming up. We're going to have a Corvette accessory giveaway here in the next couple of weeks. Waiting for some orders to come in, but we'll be glad to share that with you guys. Just one more time around, I couldn't resist.